Hi everyone, bad car symptoms here. The blower motor on your car creates an airflow within the passenger cabin. It brings fresh air in, but also blows hot and cold air from the air conditioning system. When the blower motor is faulty, you'll have problems like bad heating and cooling of the passenger cabin, constant fogging up of the windows, and other things. So it's good to recognize this issue on time and prevent bigger future problems. Stay tuned. Bad car symptoms. The fan works slowly. The first sign of a bad blower motor you'll easily recognize is that the fan works at a slower speed than usual. This is best recognized when you turn the blower motor to maximum speed. For instance, on a number 4 setting, you'll get the speed of a number 2 setting. As the blower starts failing even more, the speed will get slower. Noises from the ventilation system. You may also notice at the same time noises coming from the ventilation. At first it will be like a barely noticeable scratching, then it will be a noticeable scraping, and at the end, when the blower motor starts totally failing, it becomes a loud screeching sound. The blower motor fuse burns out all the time. One more symptom of this problem is that the fuse for the motor burns out frequently. Pay attention to this symptom carefully, especially if it happens soon after you turn on the blower. It is a sign that the blower motor is seriously damaged and can easily cause the next symptom. A burning smell appears in the passenger cabin. In the final phase of this problem, you may also sense a strong smell of burning plastic. At first, it will be noticeable only when the blower motor works for a longer period of time, but later it will be present immediately after you turn the motor on. In most cases, the motor starts to overheat, starts melting the plastic housing of the motor, and can even start burning. The moment you notice this, you must inspect the problem since it is a major safety issue. The blower does not work at all. The last symptom of a bad blower motor is the total failure of the motor. So you turn on the switch and nothing happens. If this symptom appears after all of the previous ones, then probably the blower motor is done for and you'll need a new one. The most common reasons for a bad blower motor are bad bearings and bushings on the motor. These will cause the fuses to burn out, cause the strange noises, cause the slower blowing of the motor, and eventually they may cause the burning smell. Also, bad electrical contacts to the motor can cause problems. In any case, the sooner you notice any of these symptoms, it would be best to gain access to the blower motor and make a thorough inspection of the problem. Note that in some cases, the whole problem is caused by a dry rear bushing, for instance, and by just simply adding some oil to it, you'll solve the whole problem for a longer period of time. So that's it for this time. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.